This video presentation will take a look at creating visual representations of different types of data. Data can be presented in the form of different graphs and charts such as bar, pie, line, or a scatter plot, just to name a few. We are going to explore the website MetaChart, which is an online tool to present our found data. This website allows us to select the type of visual representation we wish to use to input our own data. You have recently conducted surveys and collected information from your peers. You will use the data collected to create a graph of your choice and is appropriate to the content. For this example, I am going to present the data I collected of students' birthdays. First, I will select the type of graph. This page here you can see allows us to view each type of graph. I'm going to select bar chart as it will allow us to clearly identify how many students' birthdays are in each month. Once you've selected the type of graph, you can select the direction. A bar chart can appear either vertical, going up or down, or horizontal, left to right. This page also enables us to choose the background colors and appearance of the graph, though I will keep these to the basic and you can explore these options later. Next, we select data. This section requires us to input our found data. Items refers to the information we have explored, and as I have surveyed birthday months, I am going to select 12 items, one for each month. These will be listed on the x-axis along the bottom of the graph. So now we have 12 sections to input our data. As you can see, I've typed in each month and the value is of how many students have a birthday in that month. These colors will represent each bar. You can change these if you want to by clicking on the colored squares. I will leave it as it is and you can explore this later. Once you've input all of your data, you select Labels. And this section is simply to label the graph and choose the font size, style, and color. If you select Graph Title, you type in the title or the name of the graph. So here I have students' birthdays. The y-axis is the vertical line of the graph, and this will represent the second part of our data. Here I have written number of students. This section is where you can change the font size and overall appearance of the outside of the graph. I will keep it as it is for now and you can explore these tabs some more on your own. Finally, we select Display, and this demonstrates our graph. We now have a visual representation of how many students have birthdays in each month. We can externally save and print our graph so we can compare them with our peers. From the graph, we can ask questions and determine which month has the most or least birthdays, which months have the same amount of birthdays, or how many months have 2 birthdays. Overall, we have collected and presented our data using simple software to create information of our peers' birthdays. It's over to you now. Enjoy exploring the website and creating graphs. Remember, when you are online, please be mindful of cyber safety and don't share personal information of yourselves and others.